Hi, I'm April, and I take marine science on Florida Virtual School, also known as FLVS. And today I have to make a phytoplankton. Not literally where you have to create it with scientific stuff, but, with homemade materials. So, yeah. I used tinfoil, string, and glue, so I could glue the string on. And with this, you're supposed to have 5 trials of 2 things. You're supposed to have 5 trials with water and with air. It has to be water and air resistant. I'm not going to do the water one because I don't have any pennies with me, and frankly, I really don't feel like getting up and going to my pool or anything that's shallow enough. But if you're going to do the water one, you will have to make sure you don't use anything like paper where it soaks up water, because your project, if you take it out of the water trial the first time, you can't use it again. So I recommend using something like plastic or tin foil or just like anything that's not going to soak up water. And the water one, you have to drop pennies in it. Like for mine, I'm probably going to be able to get a lot of pennies because mine's so big, which I think you guys should make it smaller. I wasn't really thinking when I made this. I was just like, oh, let's get it done. And, you have to drop pennies in. You have to see how many pennies it can have without it sinking. And once it sinks, once you see like water going in, you have to count to see how many seconds it takes to sink. And you have to record all that. You have to do it 5 times, and it sounds pretty difficult, and I've been like putting this project like away. I've been procrastinating about it because I don't like to do labs, but I have to. So yeah. And then the air one, you have to hold it up and you have to drop it and see how long it takes it to reach the bottom of the floor, and you have to do that 5 times also and record it. So yeah, so that's the one I'm gonna do. So let's do it. Okay. This is like 3 feet up, maybe 3.5. So here, 1, 2. Takes 2 seconds. I counted 3. Counted 3 again. Counted 2.5. And 3. So now with that, I have to write it down. 2, 3, 2.5, and then 3 again. So you have to add all of them up and then find the average or the mean, depending, what term you're used to. So it would be 13.5 divided by 5. But everyone's number is going to be different. Mine, I'm not doing long division right now. It's not even long division, it's short division, but I don't feel like doing it right now. It's early in the morning. It's 12. So you just do that and you find out what the average is of the 5 that you try. And if I were you, I would try it actually more than 5 times, because you don't exactly know, and you can mess up, like, oh, look, someone's talking over there, distracted, and then you count like 4. But yeah, so that's what you do to make a phytoplankton. And did I say fine? To make a phytoplankton. And it's really that simple. Don't make your project too big or too small, because this is not gonna be worth it in like the best way possible. Say that, school rocks and whatever, but you have to be smart about it. So, bye. Hope it helped. If you have any questions or any, comments, just, either message me or comment and I'll reply. Bye.